Hi, good morning. Why there are many believers of Christ around the world are not blessed in financial money, but they will give their tithes. So that is a question. So why is that? It's because of wrong mindset. It's because of wrong understanding. Why you don't go in book of Second Corinthians chapter 9 verse 7 and meditate it every day in your life. If God give you wisdom or knowledge in that verse, so maybe that is your breakthrough. Just comment down below and subscribe. God bless.